Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Curvey Road and I'm going to show you how it works. Now let's make it. So now let's create the sprites. So I'll delete the cat and create the sprite. And now take a brown, take a gray rectangle and draw it here like this. And then add, just take a yellow color and draw it in the middle of the road. So this sprite is the road, and now duplicate it and delete the yellow rectangle. And now let's do the code. So now so just add a green flag option, make it hide, set size to 100 and keep a, so first it should be at 0. Okay. So it should be at there. Okay. So now add a forever block and then change next costume and then wait for 0.1. So now take another green flag option and then keep a forever block and then go backward layer by 1 and then it should create a clone. So this will just create some clones by changing the costume. Now when I start as a clone forever, it should show change size by 10 and then take an if block and if touching mode. So I have to make a sprite. It should be, any color. It will be invisible. Just need to try it here. And now go to the code. Now here, if touching sprite to this one, it should delete the clone. Okay, that's too big. I'll just change the size a little bit smaller. And for the other costume also, Now let's see how it's still too big. So I'll reduce the size. This might be okay. Still big. So, okay, so I'll fix that later. So now keep a green flag option and then make two variables, which should be x which would be for the sprite only. Click on OK. And one more variable, which should be y for the sprite only. So set both the variables to 0 and then add a forever block, and then if key left is pressed, it should change x by 200 only. So it will churn faster. And minus for the right. Minus 200. Okay. So now take a go-to block and the x should be size divided by keep two minus blocks and then add x in it and a y here. Let's see how it looks. It's curvy. I'll just hide both the variables and I'll make this go to the center. So it will go there. And now keep set ghost effect by 100 so we cannot see it. So I'll just make the road go properly. So I'll just make reduce the sorry, I'll just make the size like that. I'll just reduce the size. Okay, now it's good. I'll just make it a little bit like this, so it won't be like that. Adjust the shape of the sprite till it gets better like this. And that's it. So I'm going to show you how it